The table saw is a perfect tool to rip a straight edge on a board that has one crooked edge. But what do you do when a board has two crooked edges, like this one does? Here, you notice right here it's bowing in. And then on this side, it's bowing out. The middle's bowing out, so I have this big space here. The board has a crook in it, so it's bent like this. Well, what you need to do is create a straight edge with a rip of plywood. This is nothing more than a 5 or 6 inch wide piece of plywood that has a perfectly straight edge on one edge. And you're just going to set it in place. You want to make sure that it's overlapping one of the edges on the board itself. And then we're going to secure it with a couple of screws. Now we're going to run this straight edge against the fence and cut a perfectly straight rip right into that bottom board. There you go. So now we have one perfectly straight edge on the board, so we can remove the plywood, reset the fence on the table saw, and run it through, ripping off that final crooked edge. We'll have a board with two perfectly straight edges.